Hello, I'm going to show you how to add Google Calendar to desktop in Windows 10 or 11. First, right-click on the free space on your desktop, go to New, and then to Shortcut. Now create a shortcut to Google Calendar on the desktop. To do this, enter the URL calendar.google.com and name the shortcut. Once you double-click the shortcut, Google Calendar automatically launches in your default browser. Sign in to your Google account to use Google's versatile scheduler. Move the cursor to Google Calendar desktop shortcut. Drag the shortcut to the taskbar. Then pin to browser of your choice. Notification will be displayed. Release the shortcut to pin it to the browser used in the taskbar. The Google Calendar shortcut is pinned to the taskbar by adding it to your browser. Right-click the browser icon in the taskbar and click the Calendar shortcut to open Google Calendar. Also, you can open Windows Calendar app by typing Calendar in the Windows search bar and click on the app. Click on Manage Accounts, click Add Account, sign into Google, and finally click Pin to start.